So hello, this is the last video that I will do for the history of the bicycle. And let's start now. So before I do the last thing, and that's the buttons, again, we'll add another state. Right now we are on normal state, but we'll add on rollover. Frankly speaking, I don't see why this is necessary, but we are going to do it. And also, I think I have, let me try it here. So let me demonstrate first how this is supposed to work. And so what we did last time is we did show hide the text and the close buttons. So when I click on the bubble information, this is what happens. You see, with each successive year and the bubble information, when I click, the text and the close button appears. So that's where we are. And we are going to go to now to complete this interactivity, the button interactivity. So we are in the buttons and forms. Type is a button. We'll use the same close one. Event is on release or tab. And now we add action. You remember we are on normal, right? So we add the action show hide button, right? And I'm going to select rollover. And you see that because for some reason, even if I don't save it out or go to a previous version, I tried to do the first one. And I have already the color, which is supposed to be the last, because when I select rollover and I have also my close button selected, the next thing I have to do is I have to handle the visibility. And you see now the axes are the neutral, nothing happens. What I have to do now with the visibility, I really make them all invisible. And that goes for pop-out, text, and the close buttons. And so here is very careful. I noticed that in this small screen, it's very easy to miss the 1 to 6 pop-outs and close out. So everything has to be closed. So you see, closed. And remember, I have double close 1, close 2. Again, I tried getting rid of it, but unless I go all the way back, redoing everything, it just doesn't want to go away. So I left it. And so close 6, let's make sure everything is invisible now. Because if you leave any of them visible or in the neutral state, it just doesn't work. But the bubble information 1, bubble information 2 are there. And we leave everything, all the bubble informations will be in their neutral state, which means with the X against them. So So I have this, I am on rollover, right? And that's it. That's what I have to do in order to activate the rollover state. So let's try it now. I'll show you now on one that wasn't done. So let's make sure. Okay, so I am now, I selected my close button close to on release or tab. And I need to get the action, which is show hide button. And now on show hide button, I'm going to hide everything. So I have okay, so I have 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the pop out 1, 2, 6 also closed out. So once I have closed all on the visibility, I click on the rollover and kind of click somewhere in the middle, make sure that I am on fill here, right? And click inside and change that to red, okay? Or any color you want. So this needs to be done with all the close buttons. So I'll just carry on here very quickly. So select, I have button, close 3, so and so, action, show hide. Okay, and now I'm going to quickly close all of them. Okay, just quick check through. All right, so select my rollover and kind of double click there and I have my red. Okay, next one. Action, show hide, hide all visibility. Select the rollover, double click inside and make sure you're on fill and turn it red. So let's, I want to check something here. I want to make sure that everything is closed. As I say, this is very critical because if it's not, then it can cause problems. So close 5, action, show hide buttons. Now we are going to close everything. Start with the top, about 1. Okay, so that was my close 5. The last one is so button 6, action, show, close all of them, start with pop out 1. Okay, so close and pop outs should be invisible. Leave the bubble information with an X against them. So, but I'm not yet done here, right? I have to select rollover and then go back and double click in the kind of to drive into the button and change it to red. So let's see, as you won't probably see a lot of difference, but it's just something that had to be done as the last step, so I demonstrated it. So here we start with the animation, the years and arrows, then we have the bubbles coming in. And then, as I said, if I click on the bubble, I have my, and you see, this should be working, okay. I remember my first 2 had doubles, so maybe. Oh, it worked. So because I have a problem on the first 2, it's not working there, and I don't know how to. So I have my rollover here, and if I click, it should. It should go away. Okay. This doesn't seem to work. Oh, all right. So let's see what is this. Number 5 is not working. So I'm going to go back and check it. That was my number 5. Okay. And I'm going to give it red. All right, let's now go and play it again. Okay, let's try it now. And good, now it works. So the last close button is meant to work this way. So when you click inside and you roll over it and click inside, it turns the text frame, the pop out. So that's the last one. But I mean, we have these as well. We have another way of getting rid of the previous text, another way of animating it. So that's all I have for this project. I'm going to upload it now so that you have it available and you can finalize your project file.